little bit early today. Today has been another trend day down. It seems like this week so far, all we've had is trend days. There's not a lot of, although the volatility is up, and we were long some VIX calls, which we have sold. I'll show that up here real quick. Again, we were buying volatility when volatility was readjusting here, and we bought it down to the low 20s, and today it's trading 25.38 after a nice big 12% move, and we have pulled off half of our position on the volatility indices here. But outside of that, we've done very little trading today. It's been very slow. Again, I didn't have a. Here's a chart of the Dow YM. You can see it opened basically here at the high of the day, 13,300, and we're sitting at the low of the day, 13,163, with 40 minutes to go on the regular trading. And we've just been grinding down all day, and that's pretty much the same across the board. Here on the VIX chart, again, I'm trying to bring up, it's slow to populate, but on the VIX chart, you can see that what we saw on the daily was a move where we tested basically the moving average lines very nicely over the last 3 or 4 days, and that's why we bought the VIX calls last week down to the low 20s. I think we were buying at 22, and we were waiting for a break to the teens, but it did not get there. So we only got one leg in on our VIX calls, but we are selling half that position today as we have crossed over and made about a 28% gain on the VIX calls. We've been doing a lot of education, looking at charts today, talking about setups that I like. Come on over to daytradeadvisors.com. That's daytradeadvisors.com. Again, a lot of education during this slow times. Again, the key part to trading is knowing when to trade and when not to take trades. And I maintain that we've had very few trades the last couple weeks by intent, and now's the time to take your time and look at charts and find your levels of support and resistance, and lay those trades on based on doing your homework prior to the moves happening. So although this is a slow time for actual trading, this is when you really do the work and the legwork to set up the trades for the future. So keep that in mind, that trading is not all about the actual consumption of flipping trades, but rather looking for the setups and knowing in your head when the setups come that you can take those trades and take advantage of the profiteering opportunities. So that's the key thing that that we're trying to leave today, and we will leave you again as my chart is not populating. But again, the Dow is down a cool 192 points as we speak. The Nasdaq Composite is down 43 points, back down to 2518. And the housing index is getting just squashed again, back under 400 on the DJUSHB at 396, down 4.5%. And the SPX has a lot of support at 1440 cash, and it's trading right at 1442, down 1.7%. Again, these were some breakout areas basically that you can look at on your charts when the Fed announced 2 Fridays ago, or 10 days ago at least. I would watch these areas, see if we can hold. This might be a good area for the bulls to show some support, and I'm looking at 13,100 as a level of support on the YM. That was the breakdown point. So if we break through that again, that would be a key spot. If we break through the 1400 spot on the SPX cash again, I would say we're going lower and making new lows at some point. So those are the kind of some key areas. 13,100 is just kind of a relative close stop on the Dow YM, but that's about it. We'll be back tomorrow. Hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll chat tomorrow, Wednesday, Hump Day.